I got off work, I drove directly home, and my brain is fried, but I'm still gonna be here doing this. But if I can't make complete sentences, now you know. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another Jeffree Star mystery unboxing. This is the holiday edition. I got the largest size, which was the premium size, and I am just so extremely ready to dig into this right now. It's not even funny. No patience here. None at all, okay? None at all. That's also why I look like this. Oh God, I shouldn't do that. I purchased the premium one, which was $100. There was free shipping, so I think it came to around 102 or 6, or I don't know really. I was in a daze. It was right after I ate my turkey, and I was just high on tryptophan, and I'm like, let's buy some makeup. So I know we had to put in a size in here, so I'm guessing that there is going to be some sort of article of clothing. This is going to be my first Jeffree Star mystery box that is the largest one. So I really want to see if it really is worth going that extra mile. So far I've done the smallest, the second biggest, and then I've done now the largest. So I'm going to see kind of which one I'm going to do in the future. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is already so worth it. 10 out of 10, recommend. Okay, so right off the top, I see I got a sweatshirt. And I love sweatshirts like this. I don't even know what the theme is. I know they do it with shoes a lot though. So that's all I have to say about that. But, so it's wrapped nicely. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so on the front, it just says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Premium Cosmetics Company, 5-year anniversary, Calabasas, California. So this is one of their 5-year anniversary merchandise. That's really cool. On the back, there's nothing, but on this, right? Oh, no. It says iconic, because I am. All right, calm down. On the side are purple Jeffree Star stars. And then, like I said, on the front is just that logo. You guys know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like they do this with like a bunch of like Nike shoes and everything. It's just like writing and it just talks about the shoe style. I don't know, but I'm really into that kind of design. So I am so excited about this. I cannot wait to wear this. Yeah. Okay, so the box is already off to a great start. Okay, so here is then what it looks like once I take that sweatshirt out. There's quite a few things in here. I see one that I'm kind of like jittery about, but I'm gonna open that up a little later, maybe last. But let's start with the first one, which I'm really excited about, which is a Supreme Frost. I have never tried this formula before. The only one of Jeffree Star's that I have is just his regular Skin Frost line. So I'm really excited to try this. This is in Candy Apple Drip. You're not going to be able to see this at all, I bet, but I'm still going to do it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has, I don't know why I'm doing that. It's a green with a pinkish shift to it. So let's just swatch that. This is going to be so pretty on the eyelids. This isn't one I would probably wear on my cheeks. I'm just not that brave, but this is a gorgeous, almost chameleon type color that I will definitely wear on my eyelids. I think that is so pretty, especially for the holiday season. Oh, moving on. Okay, so next we got 2 liquid lips in 2 shades, obviously. One of these shades I already have. I got it in actually my last mystery box. So that's kind of a bummer, but I still really like the shade, and maybe I'll give this to one of my sisters. This is in the shade Soft Serve, and it just looks like this. Now, I'm not going to swatch it because if I do give it to my sister, I don't want to use it. So this is the one I have, and it is a really pretty peachy pink color. I like it for the summertime, so it is very nice. So I am a little bummed that I already have that because, I don't know, you would think they wouldn't try to overlap products that were in past mystery boxes, but I understand that he is trying to also get the stock moving. But I'm not mad about it. I'm still gonna use it, or I'll give it to somebody who will cherish it just as much. And even without this box pays for itself, in my opinion. So I'm okay with that. So the next liquid lip is called First Class. Okay, that is so pretty. I actually almost just bought an eyeshadow primer of this, and I'm glad I didn't. It literally looks like a really pretty gold color. And again, you could wear this on your lips, or you could just put it on your eyes as a primer. You could use it as a liner. And I think that's what I'm gonna be doing with this, is more priming to put shadows on top of it, or even just as my eyeshadow. That is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I actually might try to wear that as a lip too, because this is stunning. Really, really excited about this. This is why I like getting these mystery boxes, because this is not a shade I would ever, ever normally pick out for myself. And this gives me the opportunity to go out of my comfort zone and kind of try something new that I normally wouldn't pick. Next, I see it came with oh look, it's a cute little straw here, and it looks like a candy cane. Oh, okay, so it's this cute little metal, obviously, candy cane straw. It comes with a cleaner. I will definitely be using this. I only use metal straws, so this is super cute, and I will definitely be using this. It does say Jeffree Star on the side of it, which I think is super cute. Okay, so next I see that he put in a cute little sheet of stickers. So cute. Love this, actually. Okay, cute. Not mad about this. I know I have a planner. I have an Erin Condren planner, and I love decorating it and things like that. If you ever want to see a video like that, please like this video up. But that is definitely where these stickers are going to be going, is in my Erin Condren planner, because these are so cute. And then moving on, there are two pretty big items in here. One, they both seem to look like palettes. I have a feeling what this one is, so we're going to just open this, because I'm going to freak out, because this is a palette I have been always eyeing on his site, but I'm like, do I need it? Do I need it? But I want it. And let's see. I am so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this will be my first full-size Jeffree Star palette. I have the mini Jawbreaker, but now I have a full palette. So this is the Thirsty palette. I believe this was his summer collection 2 summers ago. Loved it ever since he came out with it. I've always thought about purchasing it, but I just never, I don't know, I just couldn't do it. But now I have it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm sure everyone knows what it looks like, but oh wow, that's a really nice piece of plastic. Okay, why am I getting excited about the plastic? So that is what it looks like. This is a palette that I will love, especially in the summertime. Like, yes, honey, are you joking me? So it's so pretty. It has your warm colors on top. You have some pops of color right down here, and then some beautiful, beautiful, I'm not quite sure what these are, pressed metallic, I'm not quite sure, but let's just, so that's Filthy Rich. Oh my God, there's like silver specks in it. That is gorgeous. I don't even want to mess these up. I really don't. Okay, let's just do it. That's my cat Jinx. Oh my gosh. So this is Splash. I can't wait. I am so excited. Jinx, you're ruining the moment. So I am so excited about this. This is an amazing thing to get in a mystery box, a full-size palette. Are you joking me? Like, very, very happy. This will definitely be getting a lot of use out of it. So I'm so excited about that. Okay, let's just try this First Class on. See how ugly I look in it. Okay, sorry, I just had to try this on because I kept seeing it out of the corner of my eye. And I don't know about you, but I feel like goddamn Cleopatra now. I'm wearing this every day of my life. This case closed. And then last but not least is, I already know, it's the Peppermint Frost Highlighting Palette. I know that there's been quite a bit of buzz about this because he said he was gonna bring it back, and then he's like, oh, no, I'm not. Which honestly, he's his own brand owner. Like, do what you want to do, Jeffree. I don't care. I don't know. That's just my own opinion. I'm still really excited that I have it here. This will add on to my highlighter collection that I have of his now. If you didn't know, this only came out limited edition with the box itself, so you cannot purchase this separately. Look how cute. Aww. I love that. Wow, this is gorgeous. Are you joking me? Okay, so in this palette you have Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. So let's just give these little swatches. Oh my gosh, they smell like peppermint. Well, that's exciting. Let's go down here. Ugly Sweater, I think, is my favorite. Oh, I didn't even put anything on that. Holy crap. These are so pigmented. I can't move my arm that way. But holy crap. Okay, wow. I love this. I will definitely be using the hell out of this palette. This is so pretty. I love that it smells like peppermint. That's cute. Okay, so. Yes. I absolutely loved this box. I got 2 full-size palettes. I got a sweatshirt. I got 2 liquid lips. Granted, I already had one from another mystery box, but that's kind of the, what is it? That's kind of like what you're bargaining for. What? No, that's not it. That's kind of the risk you take. That's what I mean. Maybe getting a shade you already have is a risk you take when purchasing mystery boxes, but I don't think it should deter you unless you own already the whole collection. I don't think it should deter you away from it. Really excited about getting fun colors. I know a lot of people don't like when they get fun colors in their mystery boxes, but I really enjoy it because every other normal color I can purchase myself somewhere else and I would be happy with it. So to get these fun colors that I normally wouldn't purchase for myself is something I really enjoy and I appreciate about the brand. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a great rest of your day and talk to you later. Bye.